We're having homemade spaghetti for dinner with a Dr. Pepper. And I also wanted to say thank you to everyone that was being so sweet on my last video, the Wendy's one. So sweet, thank you. All the comments and the hearts and the follows. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Of course. Almost tastes like I cooked it.
We don't have an oven, so can't have any garlic bread. This hotel doesn't have a stove either, but we bring one. A stove top burner.
Oh my god, Dad. Dad, your hair just got crazy. Sorry.
The baby's sleeping, but when she wakes up, she's gonna have spaghetti too. But, well, rigatoni with meat sauce, I guess. It's not spaghetti noodles, they're bigger.
Good?
So good.
Glad you love it. Mikey, you like it?
But your hair is crazy. Like rock and roll.
Yeah, it's like, looks like crimped hair.
I want to brush it and see what it looks like. You think all the waves are going to
It
come
does
out?
look like rock and roll. Like someone, no, it's just gonna get puffy.
Oh, really? In a good way or in a bad way?
Don't know.
TBD. What's up, doggo?
Seconds. Nope, I'll probably be able to eat all these. So I said just a little bit. Another full bowl.
Just look at it. I was able to look at what I was doing. I didn't realize it, that it was long enough to do that. Look better now. Not as wild.
Aww.
Oh, you like the wild?
Roll.
Yeah,
Huh?
it did look rock and roll.
I don't now.
I know you do. It like, look flat.
Tom McDonald.
McDonald. What's better, like this or with braids?
Huh?
What's better, like this or with the braids?
Right.
The braids look better.
Last bite of spaghetti. My dessert. They're so cute. It's so good. I try to just eat one pack a day. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you to everyone that's liked or commented and followed me. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.